Yes, tell children what is the meaning of migration? What is the meaning of migration?
And means the birds flying one place to another.
Yes.
And means the birds flying one place to another.
Yeah. Why they go from one place to another?
And because of temperature.
Yes. Correct. And to avoid harsh winter, okay, during the winter season, it is the weather becomes very freezy and also the food becomes very scarce. Okay, so what they do because of their inhabitable, they will go from one place to another place to adjust with the environment. Okay, so after that we have seen, yes. Yes. What is the special tube-like mouth part in butterflies used to suck the nectar of flowers? What is the special tube-like structure known as? Yes. Butterflies have the special tube-like structures. What it is known as? Can you hear me?
And proboscis.
Yes, it is proboscis. Okay, proboscis is the special tube-like mouth part which is used to suck the nectar of the flowers. Okay, then how is the mouth part in carnivorous animals?
And they have long pointed canines.
Yes, they have the long pointed canines. Why they have such type of mouth part? To grab the prey. Yes, to grab the prey and to tear its flesh. Okay. Then after that we have seen. Yes, what is the mouth part in herbivorous animals?
They have strong, sharp front teeth.
Yes.
Bite leaves grass.
Yes, they have the sharp front teeth to bite the leaves, the stem part or a grass. Then at the back they have strong broad teeth. Okay, for chewing of the green plants. Okay, so this is the mouth part in different animals. In bees, butterflies, they have the strong tube-like mouth part. The tube-like structure is known as proboscis. It is also there in mosquitoes. When mosquitoes come and sit on our skin, okay, we feel the piercing. Okay, so what will happen there? The tube-like mouth part that is known as proboscis will enter into our skin and it will suck all the fluid. Okay, it will try to suck the fluid that is the blood from our body. Okay, yes. What is the breathing in mammals? How do the mammals breathe?
Mammals breathe through lungs.
Yes, mammals breathe with the help of lungs. Okay, how the air enters in case of mammals, that is in the human beings. What is the first step? How the air enters?
And air enters through the small nose and goes for windpipes and then lungs.
Yes. Okay, first the air enters through the nose. It enters the windpipe and then finally the exchange of gases takes place in lungs. Okay, what about others? All are sleeping. Yes, or did not study. After the class, okay, when the classes get over, take some break and you have to take pencils and you have to read the textbooks. Okay, what all important points we have marked, you have to read it once again. Okay, yes. How do the fish breathe? Fish breathe with what?
Fish breathe through lungs.
Yes, through the gills. Okay, and directly it will not enter into the gills. First, the fish will acquire the water with the help of mouth, And mouth, what it will do, it will send it to the gills. In gills we have the blood vessels. Blood vessels will acquire the oxygen that is there in the water, okay, and then the respiration takes place. Is it clear? What is the respiration in amphibians? How do amphibians breathe on land and in water?
And amphibians breathe through lungs when they are in the land and when they are in water they
Yes.
through their lungs and
Moist skin. Okay. Then tell me what happens in case of tadpole. When it is a tadpole, what is the breathing part? When it becomes into an adult frog, what is the breathing part? Yes. Yes. So initially tadpole, that is the baby frog, what it will do, it will breathe with the help of gills. As it grows on adult frog, what will happen is gills will be converted into lungs. Okay, as we have seen that frogs will breathe with the help of lungs on land, and when it is in the water, it will breathe with the help of moist skin. Okay, yes. How does a squirrel climb on trees? Squirrels? Yes. Yes. Yes, very good. It will use its tail to maintain its balance. Okay. And how do water birds swim in water?
And water goes swimming water because they have web feet.
Very good. They use their webbed feet. Webbed feet is what? The toes. Yeah, the toes are being completely stick with the help of a skin. Okay, and they use it as a paddle. Okay, webbed feet will be used as a paddle. Yes, correct. Okay, so today we will be dealing with migration. Migration, we have seen some of the parts, that is the Siberian cranes. What will Siberian cranes migrate? Where do they migrate? They migrate to India. They fly nearly, yes, 9,000 kilometers. How many kilometers? 9,000 kilometers. Yes, from Siberia to India. Why? Because it is winter in Siberia, okay, and it will come back to India. Then when summer starts in Siberia, it will again fly back to Siberia. Okay, so these are the Siberian cranes. Siberian cranes are also known as, yes, yesterday I told you Siberian cranes are also known as, anyone who remembers? Siberian crane is also known as, yesterday we have discussed this. Yes, it is snow crane. Whenever we are discussing any important points with the help of pencil, we are supposed to write in that particular line. Page number 66, we have discussed regarding the Siberian cranes. We have got a small information here, that is Siberian crane is also known as snow crane. This is small information. Okay. Then we have also discussed regarding the monarch butterflies. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Monarch butterflies, I had told you the color of the wings. What was the color of the wings yesterday? Yes. The wings are orange color. Yes. And black color is the border. What is the color of the dots? Very good. The white color dots will appear on the orange color wings. Okay. Yes. After that, we have discussed regarding the seals and whales. Yes. Yesterday I showed you the picture of seal. Here it is. This is seal. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So seals and whales, what do they do? They swim from Alaska to, where do they swim? To South Pacific. okay, to spend the winter. So they swim from Alaska to Pacific. You have to remember the names. Yes, we have to remember the names to spend the winter. They are swimming from Alaska to Pacific, South Pacific. Okay, yes. And where is Alaska? Any idea, children? Where is Alaska? It is the northwest part of US. Okay, it is the northwest part of US. And what is Pacific? You have
And
studied
south.
it? Yes, South
And
Pacific. Yes,
Pacific.
it is swimming from Alaska to South Pacific just to spend the winters. Okay, because the water becomes very freezing in Alaska during the winter season. Okay, which is not tolerable by the seals and whales. So they swim from Alaska to Pacific, South Pacific. Okay, and any
It's like
information,
that.
regarding Pacific, children? Yes. Yesterday I had told regarding seals. What are seals?
And
Seals. Seals. Whenever I am giving the information, please write with pencil in your book. Okay? In the textbook, you can write with pencil. Seals are semi-aquatic animal. What these are? Yes, semi-aquatic mammal. Yes, 1 minute. I will adjust. Yes, I will adjust. These are also known as semi-aquatic mammals. Okay, what is the meaning of semi-aquatic mammals? Sometimes they are in water and sometimes they come outside the water for a while. Okay, so these are semi-aquatic mammals. Okay, and these are carnivorous. Remember, what these are? These are carnivorous mammals. Okay, this is small information regarding seals. They swim from Alaska to Pacific to spend the winters. Clear, children? The next one is regarding, yes, next one, it is regarding the Arctic tern. Arctic tern is what? It is the medium-sized bird, a white color bird. On top of its head, there is black color. Okay, its beak is red color. Okay, Roshan, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Arctic tern, it flies how many kilometers? 17,000 kilometers. Please underline, children. It flies 17,000 kilometers to the Antarctic during winters. It is important. Arctic tern, it is a bird which is white in color and it is medium sized bird. Not huge, not very small. It is medium sized bird which is white in color, and the small information regarding Arctic tern. Please write it with pencil. Arctic tern. Tern. Okay. What is Tern? Tern. Okay, it is the longest migration bird. Okay, can you understand? It is flying how much? 17,000 kilometers, not 1 or 2 kilometers. It is 17,000 kilometers, and hence it is known as longest migration bird. Did you write it in your textbook?
Number?
You have to write the small information that is given here. Arctic tern, page number 67. Here. Okay, page number 67, we are discussing regarding the Arctic tern. Arctic tern is the name of a bird which is grey-white color. Okay, grey and white color, and it is migrating long years together. Okay, it is migrating long years, and hence it is given the name as longest migration bird. This is the general knowledge to be known. Longest migration bird is Arctic tern. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Animals migrate from one place to another. The next line is regarding the whales. Some whales they migrate from North Pole at the beginning of the winter to warmer places. So just because of intolerance of winter. Okay, so during winter season they are migrating from one place to another. Migration is nothing but the mass movement of animals or birds. Okay, next one is regarding the locusts. Okay, locusts. Okay, locusts are harmful destructive insect. From this lesson, the question can come, which is the harmful destructive insect? Options will be given. You will have to tick the correct option. Here, what is the answer? Which is the harmful destructive insect? Yes. They migrate in the swarms. What is the meaning of swarms? Swarms. Swarms. Here, the words used are different. So you will have to write in pencil in the textbook the meanings. Okay? Swarms meaning group of insects or group of whatever they are forming. Okay? Group of insects are known as swarms. And what they are known? Locust. Yes, have right here swarms. This is the meaning of swarms. Okay, we are discussing regarding the locusts. Okay, locusts are what? These are known as destructive insects. Why these are known as destructive insects? Any idea, children?
And because they destroy standing crops.
Yes, they destroy the standing crops. Okay, they are making harm to the crops. Yes or no? It is so difficult to grow the crops, and these locusts are going and destroying the crops, and hence the name is given as destructive insect. Destruction means what? To spoil everything. When the crops are grown, the locusts they will go in a group to attack the standing crops. Okay, this is regarding the locusts. Please remember these are the harmful destructive insects. Okay, and this locusts, if you want to know what is the meaning of locusts, it is the short horned grasshoppers. Short horned grasshoppers. Have you seen grasshopper? Have you seen grasshoppers? Green color.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there you can see the horns. The horns are there on about head. Those are long. But in case of locusts, they are having very short horns, but they are known for destruction of standing crops. Locusts are what? They are the short horned grasshoppers. They migrate in swarms. They will not go one or two to destruct. Okay, so they will say that we all will go together to destroy the standing crops. I have told you the meaning of swarms. It is there in the textbook. Please write. Swarms is nothing but going in a group and attacking the standing crops. Okay, so this was regarding complete migration. Migration is what? Going in a mass movement to just to avoid the harsh winter. Okay, the last one is regarding hibernation. What is hibernation? Yes. So, till now we have seen regarding the migration. Migration is what they will do instead of staying there only and tolerating the winter, they will go from one place to another. That is migration. But what is hibernation? The last part is hibernation. Yes. Any idea, children? What is hibernation? Yes. Some animals, instead of leaving the own place and going to some other place, they themselves will go into deep sleep. Hibernation is what? Deep sleep they will go and they will try to tolerate the winter. Some animals they will go into deep sleep just to avoid winter. Okay, they will go into such a deep sleep that if any person is seeing and we should feel that a particular yes that particular animal is dead. Okay, we feel as though that particular animal is dead. That uh, that level they will go into deep sleep. Okay, so this is known as hibernation. During hibernation animal appears to be dead. How does the animal appear? The animal appears to be dead. These are the important terms here. Hibernation is the one wherein the animals will go into deep sleep to avoid the winter, and in that case the animals appear to be dead. This much you should know regarding the hibernation. Okay? And even if you touch or even if you move around, they will not wake up. Okay, they will not wake up from their deep sleep. That much they will go into deep sleep. This is known as hibernation. Please underline the first paragraph. Some animals survive the harsh winter. They will not move from one place to another place. Instead they will go into deep sleep. Okay, please underline the first three lines of hibernation. I will read it. Please underline. Some animals survive the harsh winter by going into a state of deep sleep called hibernation. You will have to pronounce it as hibernation. Okay? During hibernation, an animal appears to be dead. You feel as though the animal is dead. Okay? Loud noises have no effect on it. Even if you shout loudly, even if you blow horn, still it will not wake up. Okay? That much deep sleep they will go under. It does not even wake up even if it is touched or moved around. Okay, even if you touch the animals, they will not wake up. This is regarding hibernation. Okay, how does an animal survive without food during hibernation? Now, if the animal is continuously sleeping,
to bring
hmm,
season and store fat for
yes,
winter.
yes, okay. So what they will do during hibernation? Before that, they will eat lots of food. Okay. During autumn, what they do is they will eat lots of food and they will store it as fats. Okay. They will store it as fats. The animal uses the body fat that it has stored. So you might be wondering how the animal can be alive during the deep sleep. Even if it is sleeping, what it will do? It will eat priorly lots of food and it will store it as fats. Okay, and that fat they will use it for energy. Okay, this causes the animal to come out of hibernation thinner but still as strong as it was in fall. Okay, it will be still healthier because it has eaten lots of food. Okay, during autumn. Here there are some examples which they have given. Page number 67. Please underline. Bats, groundhogs, lizards, ground squirrels are some animals that hibernate during winter. Okay, did you underline, children? The examples of some animals that hibernate during winter: groundhogs, ground squirrels, bats, and lizards. Is it clear? They hibernate during winter. Okay, they hibernate during winter. Here, page number 6, that is the first lesson. Please go back to page number 6, everyone. Page number 6. Did you open?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Switch on your cameras, children. Let me see. Switch on your cameras. Everyone.
And page number
Page number 6. The first lesson. Okay. There you have this blue color box.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is given there?
Ma'am, squirrel collect nuts such as prawns which they hide underground for winter.
Yeah. So is it not regarding the squirrels?
However, they often forget that they have
Yes. Yes. They grow into the yes.
which they hide underground for
Yes.
winter.
So
However, they
we
often
have
forget when they have the nuts later on is not to grow into the
yes.
plant.
Yeah. We have already studied this in our first lesson. Okay.
Ma'am,
What
is
is
it underlined?
yes, underline it. Squirrels, what they do is they will collect the nuts and they will keep underground. Okay. For what reason? Just because they should undergo hibernation during winter season. Yes or no? They will collect and they will keep it underground. Okay. For winter season. For winter season, they will keep underground initially before the winter season starts. Ground squirrels, what they do is they will go and collect and they will keep it underground. But unfortunately, if the squirrel forgets where they have hidden the nuts, what will happen? Those nuts will later on grow into new plants. Okay, even it happens with us also, where we have kept the things we don't remember sometime. Yes or no? In the same way, the squirrels will forget, and those nuts will later on grow into the new plants. Yes, it is already given in the first lesson regarding the
Yes,
squirrels.
ma'am.
Yes. So take out the same page number, that is 67. Animals, they survive without food. Yes, the question they have given, how does an animal survive? 67. Come back to the same lesson, animals, page number 67. Hibernation, how does an animal survive without food during hibernation? So we have already seen regarding the squirrels. Okay, squirrels, they will keep the nuts underground and later on they will take it in during the winter season. So this is how they survive without food during hibernation. Hibernation, is that concept clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And what is it underlined in the
Yes, yes. This complete paragraph is the answer for the question that is given here. Okay, I will read it. During autumn, please underline. During autumn, the hibernating animal eats more food and it stores it as a fat. Okay, during hibernation, the animal uses the body fat that it has stored. It will eat lots of food and the energy will be stored as fats. Okay, this causes the animal to come out of hibernation thinner but still as strong as it was in fall. As the energy level comes on decreasing, the hibernation process will come to an end. Okay, then the examples that they have given is bats, groundhogs, lizards, and ground squirrels. What is the meaning of ground squirrels?
Mama?
Have you seen squirrel? Yes. Yeah. The squirrels which will not climb on the trees, rather they will be only on the ground. That is only on the land. Those are known as ground squirrels. Okay. And these are some of the animals that hibernate during winter. I hope the lesson is very clear to everyone. If there is any doubt, please let me know.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I ask you a few questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Take pencil in your hand, page number 66. This part, the blue color box. Okay? The blue color box. Animals with 6 legs. Insects. Insects. Yes. Yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Animals Yeah, the first answer is insects. The first question answer is insects. Okay? Yeah. Animals with hard, dry shell on their bodies.
Reptiles.
Reptiles. Very good. It is reptiles. How is the body over there? Very hard and it is dry. Yes. Okay. Third one, animals with gills. Fish. Yes. Animals with gills are fish. Okay. The fourth one, animals that have long pointed teeth.
Carnivores.
Carnivores. Yes. These carnivorous. Write the spelling correctly, children. Carnivorous. Okay. The fifth one. Animals that have legs. Yes. Yeah. In birds only insects come. Okay. That is birds. Clear, children? And here, yes, here, after reading the lesson, you will have to look after this summing up. Okay? This will make you what? The summary of the complete lesson. The important concept has been discussed in this summing up. Okay? What is trachea? What is spiracles? Next one, regarding the reptiles. Fish, they have the overlapping scales. I had shown you on the other day. First day I have shown you. How are the overlapping scales? How do they breathe? They breathe with the gills. Okay? Next one, birds, how do they have the body covering with the help of feathers? Yeah.
They follow space with covered contour feathers.
Yes. Okay. And how are the mammals? What is their body covered with? How do they breathe? And all mammals except humans move on four legs. Okay. Except humans, we will not bend like this and we walk like this. Yes or no? The small babies, before they learn the walking, what they do is they will do the crawling first. Okay, then they will move both with the hands as well as legs. But once they are grown up, how do they walk, children? They walk only on their legs. They can stand erect on their legs. We have discussed regarding this. What are invertebrates? What are vertebrates? Spiracles, hibernation, migration. This is the word bank which you will be writing in your notebook. Okay? Write the heading animals, lesson number 7. Okay? Write the word bank. Then you will have to, yes, this
Right
word,
answer is defect
yes.
of diagram and the human is practicing.
Okay. Answer in brief, you will have to find the answers and write it in your notebook. Answer in brief. Answer in detail, I will be sending the notes. Okay. You'll have to read the lesson and find the answers for brief questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Two.
Two.
Two. Yes. Please.
Ma'am, two.
Yeah. Please put a tick mark over 2. Frogs have dash feet, whether it is straight, short. Yes, they have webbed feet. Very good. Down feathers, contour feathers, and wings are all parts of dash. Yes, they have for birds. Yes, very good. Dash give birth. Yeah. Yes, mammals will give birth to the young ones. Okay? Yes. Holes found along the sides of the body of an insect. What is that known as? Spiracles. Yeah. Tiny holes which are found along the body side of an insect. Dash breathe gills. Fish. Yes. Okay. Next one. What do the Siberian cranes do this? Yes. They will migrate. They will fly to the India. Okay, they will come to India. They'll come to India.
In Karnataka state.
Yes, Karnataka.
What is it?
Yes. Next one.
What is it? B1.
Yes. B1. Frogs have dash feet. They have webbed feet. Okay, the toes are not like this completely separated. They have the skin with the toes. Okay, they have the pedal-like formation. That is webbed feet. Fourth one, dash give birth to young ones. Who will give birth to young ones? Mammals. The fourth one is mammals. Yes. Okay. The third question, third one. Yes. Fish breathe with the help of their dash and swim with the help of dash. Yes. Fish breathe with the help of their. Yes.
Fill in the blank.
Yes, fill in the blanks. Match the following. We will discuss it. But before that, fill in the blanks. Fish breathe with the help of their dash and swim with the help of dash. Gills and fins. Gills and fins. Okay. Dash breathe through their lungs. The first one, fill in the blanks. It is fish breathe with the help of their gills. The first one is gills. How do they swim, children?
By the help of two pairs of fins.
Yes. First they breathe with the help of gills, and the second blank is
Who's the second one?
fins. Okay?
And the second one?
Yes. Dash breathe through their lungs and have a body covered with feathers. Birds. Yes. It is. Birds. Yeah. Most amphibians. Yeah. Most amphibians will breathe through their lungs. Lungs. Moist skin. Okay. Lungs. Lungs. They will breathe on land. With the help of lungs, they breathe on land. With the help of moist skin, it is possible in water. Okay. Next, fourth one. Mass movement of some animals from cold to warm place is called migration. No, not hibernation. Why hibernation? Hibernation. Are they undergoing deep sleep? No, they are making the movement. See here, don't get confused with the hibernation and migration. Migration is from moving from one place to another. Movement is known as migration. So the answer is migration. Next, deep winter sleep for some. Yes. Okay. These are regarding the fill in the blanks. Okay. Yes. Whales and dolphins live in yes. But both are dash. They breathe through their dash. Whales. Yes. They both are. What are they both? Both are mammals. Yes. They breathe through their lungs. We have underlined this in the textbook. Please go through it. Both are mammals and both breathe with their lungs. Whales and dolphins. Yes. Yeah, and you have to draw the diagram of human respiratory system. This one. Yes, page number 65, we will have to draw the diagram. Okay.